Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that is crucial for everyone's financial well-being: investments. Investments are more than just a buzzword thrown around by financial gurus. They're the tools that can help you build a life you've always dreamed of. Imagine owning a beautiful home, providing quality education for your children, or exploring the world. Sounds appealing, right? Well, that's where investments come into play. They are the keys to unlocking your financial potential and turning these dreams into reality. Investments combat the effects of inflation, turning your hard-earned money into a growing asset. They help you build a financial safety net, creating a stream of passive income that you can rely on. They harness the power of compound interest, exponentially increasing your wealth over time. And most importantly, they allow you to participate in the growth of businesses and the economy. They are the key to turning these dreams into reality. One of the primary reasons why investment is important is to combat the effects of inflation. Picture this: every year, the price tag on your favorite goods and services gets a little steeper. That's inflation in action. It's the rate at which the general level of prices for goods and services is rising, and subsequently, purchasing power is falling. It's like a sneaky thief, silently chipping away at the value of your hard-earned money over time. Now, just stashing your money under the mattress or in a regular savings account won't do the trick. These methods might keep your money safe, but they don't help it grow. And when inflation is factored in, you might find that the real value of your money decreases over time. This is where investing comes in. By putting your money to work in investments like stocks, bonds, or real estate, you're giving it the chance to grow. This growth can help offset the effects of inflation, ensuring your money retains its purchasing power. By investing wisely, you have the opportunity to grow your wealth at a rate that outpaces inflation. Additionally, investments allow you to build a financial safety net and create a source of passive income. Imagine if you could earn money while you sleep. That's what investing can do for you. It's like having a little worker bee that's always buzzing away, generating honey for you. Now, most of us rely on our day job for our income, and that's perfectly fine. But what if there's an emergency, a sudden expense? Or what if you just want to take a break and enjoy life a little more? That's where your investments come in. You see, when you invest, your money is put to work, earning more money for you. It's as if you've cloned yourself, and your clone is out there working a second job, bringing in extra income. This can provide a cushion for unexpected expenses, and it can also give you the freedom to live life on your own terms. Your investments can generate returns, ensuring you have a cushion for unexpected expenses and the ability to enjoy a more comfortable lifestyle. Another compelling reason to invest is the power of compound interest. This financial phenomenon is often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world, and for a good reason. Picture a snowball rolling down a hill. As it rolls, it picks up more snow, growing larger and faster. That's the essence of compound interest. You invest an initial amount, your principal, which earns returns. But here's where it gets exciting. Instead of just earning returns on your principal, you start earning returns on your returns. It's a cycle that repeats over time, and like that snowball, your wealth begins to accumulate, growing larger and faster. It's an incredibly powerful tool for wealth creation. However, the magic of compound interest truly shines when given time. The longer your money is invested, the more cycles of compounding it experiences. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow, exponentially increasing your wealth. Investing also provides the opportunity to participate in the growth of businesses and the economy. By putting your money into stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, you're not just stashing your cash away. You're becoming a shareholder, a part owner of sorts in the ventures you invest in. You're sharing in their success, their growth, and it's not just about personal gain. Your investments can drive innovation, create jobs, and fuel economic growth. This not only benefits you, but contributes to the overall prosperity of society. Now that you understand the importance of investment, it's time to take action. To aid you on this journey, we've crafted an ebook, Investing 101. This guide is a treasure trove of knowledge, shedding light on diverse investment options and guiding you to create a balanced portfolio. Whether you're a rookie or a seasoned investor, This book has valuable insights for everyone, so don't miss out on the opportunity to secure your financial future. Click the link below to download your free copy of Investing 101 today.